Alright, so hello and welcome to week 2 critical stage analysis video. My name is Brandon Boren and let's go ahead and jump right in. So this week we all got down to the nitty gritty to get our game ready for alpha at the end of the week. Lots of playtesting, lots of bug fixing. Also did a playtest session with a player other than the one on the team. Got some good feedback on that. Mainly was some things that were disliked. The durability system seemed kind of buggy, and there were a couple of things about the items that came to light in the playtest that we have started to implement with fixing the durability, having the items not break as often. One of the main things that I did this week for bug was just some bug fixing. So there was a bug in the tutorial level where the vent tutorial would not display. It didn't come up with the prompt telling you that you could use your screwdriver to unscrew the screws and open that vent. I fixed that, and I also had to adjust a couple of the trigger volumes. We had some issues with that this week where the player wasn't able to pick up items next to things with their colliders, so I worked on that. I also worked on, let's see here. An issue with the player's arms, and I will actually show you that here in cell block A. So right now the way that it works is on the player to be able to pick up items, we have the arms and the hands. So the arms here are kind of inside the player itself and the hands are here. So this is the point of reference where any item that the player is able to pick up and it's movable, or wherever the collectible objects are to pick up, that hands reference is where it checks them. For some odd reason, this arms thing, which the hands is a child of, had been moved out here into the nothingness of Unity. So I had to go in, readjust all of this. They were too close together. I actually had to playtest that and correct it so that it worked and made sense so that the player would be picking up things. And I also went in and replaced a bunch of the prefabs that we had. You won't see it much in here, but if we go to run like hell, the majority of the boxes that the player can pick up here are now new prefabs that Michael Lamb put in here. We're having some issues where they wouldn't move correctly, and they would clip through the walls. So that's not completely fixed. They can still be pushed to the walls, but they are colliding with them now rather than just moving straight through. So other than that playtesting, I think our game's ready for alpha. We did pretty good. All the playtests that we did with our not people on the team went really well, and we used that feedback to correct some of the issues in the game and start tweaking on them. So thanks for watching, and have a good one.